Hey Thunder family, welcome back to your Thunder News. I'm Julie Nagel and I will be your anchor this week. Theater's spring musical Pippin is now playing. Make sure to catch it if you haven't already. It will be playing tonight, tomorrow night, and next week on the 23rd, 24th, and 25th at 7 p.m. Tickets are $12 for adults and $10 for children and students with ASB. Make sure to be there. Mountain View's choir will be hosting a choir concert on Thursday, May 30th at 7 p.m. There is free admission for everyone, and music from popular films like Barbie, Shrek, The Greatest Showman, Toy Story, and more will be featured. Make sure to come out and support the Mountain View Choir. And now, our math question of the week. Here's the question. Which three numbers have the same answer whether they're added or multiplied together? As a reminder to submit your answer, grab entry ticket at the bulletin board outside of room 120 and fill it out. This week, correct entries will be put into a drawing for a bucket of snacks. Yearbooks are on sale now at the ASB window. They are $50 with ASB and $55 without. Don't wait until June and be sure to pre-order yours now, because we didn't order extra yearbooks this year. Attention seniors, tickets for the all-night grad party are now on sale for $70. To sign up, make sure to get a grad party packet from the front office. Also, did you know that you can buy yard signs to celebrate your graduation? You can get a Class of 2024 yard sign for $20, and you can also get personalized signs for $25. Check out the Class of 2024 page on gothunder.org for more information on yard signs and grad party tickets. Now here's Mr. Wright with a learning exchange that happened recently with Heritage students.
So I'm Mr. Wright, and here today we have Heritage High School doing a learning exchange. They're coming in and learning the ins and outs of MIG welding, and we have a speaker from Clark College next door who's kind of giving an overview of the weld industry as a whole.
It's a lot of fun. You get to mess around with hot metal. There's, exploding bits, very dangerous bits.
Your MIG whip, you point it at the piece, you pull the trigger, and it shoots out metal. It's hot. It's very painful when it hits you. That's about the gist of it.
Welcome back to Thunder Sports.
Alright, who am I here with?
Jackson Roddy.
Who am I here with?
Jake Ryder.
Alright, so the question of the day is, who are your favorite athletes?
Owen Purvis. Jackson Roddy.
Alright, there you have it. Alright, who am I here with?
Heine.
Alright, and the question of the day is, who is your favorite athlete?
Sophia Smith.
There we have it.
Welcome to ThorCast!
Hi, welcome to ThorCast. This weekend on Saturday we have a high of 68 and a low of 45, and on Sunday we have a high of 79 and a low of 50. All around, a beautiful weekend.
Welcome back to the Slim Quiz Show, where we ask you the weirdest possible questions to get you to learn the weirdest possible fact. The end of the year is almost upon us. What were the last words of German composer Gustav Mahler? The correct answer is Mozart.
I'm here with Miguel, and what are we doing on a sunny weekend?
Probably gonna go out, hang out with some friends.
I'm here with
Karina Santos.
And what are you gonna do on this sunny weekend?
I'm gonna go rock climbing and go to the beach.
With Aisha.
Jeremy. What are you guys gonna do this Sunday?
I'm gonna go to Reno and go on a yacht.
Personally, I'm not sure yet, but if the pool's open, I might jump in.
I'm here with DeMarcus. And what are you doing this sunny weekend? It's my birthday and I'm working.
I'm here with Daniel. And what are we doing on this sunny weekend?
I'm going to two parties. It's a Mother's Day party with my cousins, and tomorrow it's a birthday party.
Hello, what's your name and what class do you teach?
Hi, my name is Miss Ray Twinsky, but I am known by Miss R. I teach floral design in room 135.
How many classes are offered of floral design?
Well, what's exciting for us next year is that floral will now be offered in 5 periods. If you've been waitlisted before, it might be a great opportunity for you to get into the class now, since 5 classes will be offered. We have Floral 1 and 2, which counts as an art credit, which happens in here. And then if you want to continue on into the shop, you take Floral 3 and 4, where you learn marketing and advertisement and work with cash and sales.
The following can be found in your Thunder class under Career Center events. On May 21st, the Marines and Clark College will be here at lunch. And May 22nd, the National Guard will be here.
Digibin Institute of Technology is hosting a preview day on Saturday, May 25th in Redmond, Washington.
Check out new jobs that are added to Career Center Jobs link every week. Some jobs are within walking distance of Mountain View.
There's a job seeker summer program for mechanics, machinists, and welders. Scan to find out more.
Thank you for watching your Thunder News, and we'll see you next week. Go Thunder!